Hi guys, so we're looking at 50 square foot. Let me show you. So this is the front bedroom. This is the entry, and then we're gonna go in here, and then you see the bathroom. And this is the garage. And we have a laundry room. And we're going to the master right now. Hi. Okay, so here's the shower. Master has a shower, closet, potty, and this is the master bathroom, master bedroom. Also, what we call this the primary bedroom. So this home has 3 bedrooms. This is the hallway and kitchen, living area, living space. So it's got a pantry as well. Oh my gosh, this pantry is really big. Really, really, really big. Check this out. This also comes with a covered patio and living room. It's an open floor plan. So just wanted to show you this property. There you go. Definitely. Here's the feature. I want to show you bedroom number 2. So this is bedroom number 2. It's actually a good sized bedroom. So yeah, this is the middle of the house. That's coat closet, and then garage, front door, and the front. Jack and Jill basically went down the hill, and here is the coat closet. Comes with pavers. Let's see you want to see this property. Bye.